Maybe it's time, let the old ways die. Maybe it's time, let the old ways die. It takes a lot to change a man, hell takes a lot to try. Maybe it's time, let the old ways die. Nobody knows what the way's for the dead. Nobody knows what the way's for the dead. Some folks just believe in the things they've heard and the things they read. Nobody knows what the way's for the dead. I'm glad I can't go back to where I came from. I'm glad those days are gone, gone for good. But if I could take spirits from my past and bring them here, no I would, no I would. Nobody speaks to God these days. Nobody speaks to God these days. I'd like to think He's looking down to master led away. Nobody speaks to God these days. When I was a child they tried to fool me. Said the man was lost and the hell was real, was real. But I've seen hell in Reno, but this world won't be gone. Catherine wheel spinning still. Maybe it's time to let the old ways die. Maybe it's time to let the old ways die. It takes a lot to plan a change, help change to train your mind. Maybe it's time to let the old ways die. Oh, maybe